Hi students, and welcome to week 4 of our unit on research. This week is all about figuring out how to use the library databases to find good research. So let's do a quick recap. In week 1, you learned how to evaluate a source using the CRAP test. In week 2, we learned how to write academic summaries. In week 3, we put those two skills together to create an annotated bibliography entry. And now in week 4, you are going to learn how to find good sources using our school's library databases. In lesson 1 of this week, Donna Lane, the teacher librarian at Mountain View High School, is going to walk you through how to use our library databases. You'll conduct a scavenger hunt after her lesson as a way to test your skills using the library databases. And then in lesson 2, your individual teacher will go over the requirements of the assignment this week, as well as a preview of the requirements for the research project in weeks 5 and 6. The third lesson of this week will involve you finding a database article on the library website, and then you will be reading through it and creating an annotated bibliography entry for that source. And you may ask the question, why so many annotated bibliography entries? This is a skill that requires repetition and practice. And when you do research, a big part of research is repetition and practice. It's reading through the research. It's being able to summarize the research that you find in an academic summary and being able to evaluate whether or not a source is credible. So you have to go through that process each time you find a source that you want to use in a research project. So the more you practice, the more proficient you will be at this skill. And our hope is that by the end of this unit, you will have a solid amount of research on your topic that you could take forward to a future unit designed by your individual teacher, so that you have some great research for a project or a paper that you could do for his or her class. If you have any questions this week about how to conduct research using the library databases or about any of your assignments, please direct them to your individual teacher. Thank you and have a great day, guys.